In 2024, the global ready-to-eat meals market was over $400 billion and projected to grow over $620 billion by 2032. This growth is driven by factors like changing lifestyles, urbanization, and the rise of convenience-focused food consumption. Hi, I'm Bill Zittel, president here at Lyco Manufacturing. Lyco is just launching the most versatile, state-of-the-art, ready-to-eat cooking and cooling solution. This line consists of an in-feed system to meter proper amounts of product to the system, a clean flow cooker that can feed a 4-stage easy flow cooler for cooling. This is an ideal solution for both short pastas and long pastas. In addition, this line can cook and cool rice for prepared meals, cooling them down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit with our 4-stage easy flow cooler. Or the clean flow can do pre-cooking, then transfer to our newest technology called Temper Flow that produces fully hydrated rice but with no water for low moisture but fully cooked product for making sticky rice or for adding a gravy or seasoning to absorb into the rice for the next operation. Lastly, the Temper Flow for diced or sliced potatoes, where the initial cooking is done in the clean flow, then final cooking in the Temper Flow. This allows for uniform cooking throughout the product without degrading the outside of the potatoes, and it also reduces losses. This is ideal for mashed potato lines or any products that require a fully cooked and uniformly cooked potato. I'd like to point out a few key benefits of this Lyco solution. These systems are continuous, first in, first out. These systems reduce labor, improve quality, and guarantee a repeatable process. Clean Flow produces the highest recovery for cooking and cooling pasta or rice in the industry. Our patented HydroFlow agitation gently handles each particle of food separately, not in one dense mass, and helps eliminate sticking and clumping losses. Clean Flow was designed in 2006 with over 115 systems running globally. It was designed for reduced sanitation cleaning for the ready-to-eat and prepared meal processor that require quick changeovers. This allows for processors to be able to run multiple products in a day. All Lyco systems are controlled with Allen Bradley or Siemens automated controls. So we invite you to visit our 10,000 square foot test lab and schedule a time to run your product in our state-of-the-art facility. Please call our office at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.